Hi everyone, welcome back to Makayla's Playground. I'm here today with Daddy and we're waiting for Makayla to make her appearance.
There she is.
Here
I am.
This is our little wiggly worm and tell them what we're going to play today.
Today we're going to play Giggle Wiggle and I'm back with my mommy and daddy.
Hi.
They're mine.
Of course.
No.
And here's the wiggle, the
Giggle
wiggle.
The Giggle Wiggle. Sorry. And Daddy has no clue to play, so I guess you like my headband, huh?
Oh yeah. Oh, hold on. We can't really see you because the worm was in the way. Ooh.
Pretty, huh?
Oh yeah.
And
Oh. Okay.
one place the
Okay.
you bet the button on. You turn on the button. You bet the things on the
Marbles.
hands,
Mm-hmm.
the marbles on, and you have to go 1, 2, 3,
You have to
4,
race
5,
up to the top,
and
moving
move.
around the whole time. So we're gonna actually have to turn him around when we play.
Let him see.
So because there's always a twist to the loser.
Daddy doesn't like this. Whoever wins gets to eat Bean Boozled. There
Wins
is
or loses?
Loses.
there is toasted marshmallow or stink bud. Juicy pear or burger, coconut or spoiled milk.
Okay, good. Sounds like.
Yeah, and Daddy has a
appetizing.
really weak stomach, so he will get sick.
Okay, so whoever wins doesn't have to have a spin at Bean Boozled. Whoever
Okay.
loses gets to spin. And then we both have to have the same flavor to see who got what, right?
Right.
Is that a good idea?
I know what to lose.
I didn't hear whatever you said.
Okay, so let's just have Daddy follow the rules.
Okay.
I will be purple.
Daddy will be blue since he's on that side.
Okay, I already have 4 on there.
No. That was demonstration
Cheater.
purpose.
Okay. All right, who's first? Okay, who's first?
Mom jokes.
Mom,
There's a little button to
Have no
push.
idea what's going on.
To start dancing, okay?
Ready?
Ready? Okay. Go. One at a time, cheaters. Oh! Mom is terrible.
You're not done yet. Oh, you did! Oh,
Yeah!
oh man.
Oh, my God.
Wait, do you have the same amount of arms as me?
Yeah, we all have 6 arms.
I don't know.
She got it.
Look it, Daddy, I'm purple.
I know, cheater.
All right.
I'm not a cheater.
Who wants to spin
Okay.
it near you?
No, we're eating those right every time?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's
the end.
the rule.
At the
No.
end.
We
No.
both lost though.
Yeah, that's the rule.
That's the
Cheater. Oh boy, where is he?
here.
Oh, he's in the kitchen.
I came prepared. Is he hiding?
I mean, I got a snack. No, this is for after when it tastes gross and I spit it out. I need another flavor. Did I get what?
Peach or barf?
What about sweaty hands?
Salty, sweaty hands.
I'm gonna watch this back in instant replay because I think they were looking for one that was
No,
bad.
I promise. Here, cheers.
Cheers.
Mike.
What did I get?
Peach or barf? Oh,
Mmm.
I got peach smoothie. I got peach too.
I got a peach one.
What?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. Ew.
My hey,
the peach.
peach all day. Okay, come on.
Whew, okay. Whoa.
Okay.
Okay.
Here we go. Just got
Round 2.
knocked out. I have to call in sick tomorrow with upset stomach.
Go ahead, start. You're talking too much. Don't knock mine off, Joe. Hold on. Oh, I won! Hey, we're all yours.
You guys knocked them all off.
No, payback.
No, mommy is the winner.
Okay, Makayla and Daddy, Bean Boozled time.
Oh boy.
Uh-oh, let's see.
I got here.
Tutti Frutti or Stinky Socks?
Oh, that's the worst! Oh, I found it.
You want to just smell my socks?
I found it.
Okay.
Look.
Yeah.
I'm disgusted.
Get it out.
Wait, let me see. Are you taking it? Okay.
I chewed it now.
Oh, good
Ugh.
job. Now you're not cheating.
Mm.
Oh, I can smell something. Drink some water. Drink some water.
I need to go. That was the worstest one I ever had.
Okay.
Okay. Good?
Are you ready?
Okay.
Now I'm better. Now I'm better.
Okay, ready? Go. I did not do that.
Oh my!
I did not do that. We will watch the replay. They flew off.
Knocked them all mine off the
I
table.
did not knock them
Oh
off.
my god!
Yes! Yes!
Oh no, I didn't make it.
Yeah.
I did not. Replay. I did not knock them off the table. I promise.
Replay.
Okay.
No. Just
Okay.
You definitely flew them all off.
I know you did.
Replay. Replay that, guys.
Okay.
If you want to replay that, replay it. I lost again.
Me and her again?
Pick your poison. There you go.
I lost 3 times in a row. I have to call in sick tomorrow to work.
Whoa, whoa, whoa. Take it to shut.
Ready?
Okay.
Wait.
Toasted marshmallow or stink bug. So it's the brown and white.
Oh boy.
Okay.
Cheers.
Okay. Go for it, Makayla. Hold on. Here's your cup for spitting. Are you sure? I'm not even eating it and it smells.
What is it? Wait, what did I eat again?
Toasted marshmallow or stink bug? I can smell the stink bug. Can't you smell
Oh.
it? It's like a
Mine tasted like a marshmallow covered stink bug.
It smells like a skunk in here.
No. Cherries?
I was about to say what a stink bug tastes like. Oh my god. I knew I was gonna get the stink bug.
You knew it. I'm sorry.
Break time, break time. I need to get something to
Okay.
wash my mouth out. Let's do this.
Okay, round 4.
Ready, set, go. I'm waiting for him to turn the other way. Yes, I did it! I made it to the top, cheater!
Yeah, I know.
I made it to the top.
You did. Good job.
Finally. Whew.
Okay, me and Dad. Okay, Dad, you do the honor of spinning.
Oh no.
Don't keep spinning.
The spinner's kind of broken.
Okay, you got juice pear burger.
Okay. Ready?
Yeah, I will tell you when. Go. Go. Choose them.
Whoa! No, 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 no. Oh.
Mm-mm.
Ready, Joe? You're not trying.
I'm not trying because I'm
And those are
losing.
your cherries over there.
Set, go.
Keeping my healthy side up.
Oh. All right, Makayla and Daddy.
Okay,
Fifth
last one.
Final round.
Last one.
Boozled.
Mommy, I do not want to get the grossest one. I always get the
So Daddy's the ultimate loser in this game. He did not win one round. Me, I lost 2. Makayla lost 2. Wait.
I lost steam out of my sails because there's a bunch of cheaters in this house.
Oh, is it right here? What do we got?
Peach or barf?
No, I got.
I hope he gets barf so he knows I'm gross. You're welcome.
How come I'm sweating?
Ready?
Cheers.
Last one.
Yeah, I could eat it.
Yes.
Gross. They're all gross. Everything's gross. Being on the floor is the same. Here, give me.
Vinegar.
Now we have a dirty house, guys.
No, I just mean, it doesn't matter. Cheers.
It's okay. What happened?
I spit on the floor.
So, am I right?
Yeah, that one's bad.
That's bad. Barf, bad. It's okay, we'll try it after.
Where's the one?
Don't worry, ants won't eat it. Okay,
Now I'm gonna get ants in my mouth tonight.
it's alright. I'm sure we'll step on it later.
Yeah, we got it. Thank you for picking it up.
Alright.
Okay.
I have to go through the
Hospital.
I never seen what that
You alright?
Oh! It's really gross.
You should do a challenge of like chocolate chip cookies.
Hey, Daddy, can't say funny stuff because I'm drinking water.
Oh, you're right.
Oh,
Sorry, guys.
yeah,
Sorry.
Bye, guys. I hope you enjoyed my channel. If you want to watch another Giggle Wiggle Makayla video, touch here. If you want to watch the second one, please click the button right here. And subscribe and like and give it a big, big thumbs up. And follow us on Instagram. And I'll follow you on your videos too if you watch my videos. Bye.
Bye, guys.
Bye.
Stay
Thanks
safe.
for watching.
Bye, guys.
Remember to get a...
Uh-oh. Are you gonna wiggle up?